Plastic mold quotation process explained. Are the cost, design and lead time? Are you developing a plastic part and need a mold but confused about how the quotation process works? You're not alone. Getting a mold quote can feel complex, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm breaking down the full plastic mold quotation process, from design and cost drivers to timeline and pro tips. Whether you're an engineer, buyer or startup founder, you'll get the clarity you need to move forward. Let's get started. Section 1. What is a plastic mold quotation? A plastic mold quotation is more than just a price. It's a detailed breakdown of what it takes to build a custom injection mold. A plastic mold quotation typically includes a line-by-line breakdown of costs. For example, you'll see separate charges for the mold base, cavity inserts, mold life, and ejection system. Some suppliers also include a timeline for each stage, from design approval to mold delivery. Understanding this structure helps you compare quotes and spot hidden fees. Think of it like quoting a custom home. You need to know the materials, labor and timeline, not just the final price. Title, key quote elements, mold base, cavity material, number of cavities, mold life, lead time, sample delivery cost. Mold base is the foundation of a mold that houses and supports the core, cavity, ejector system, cooling system and guiding mechanisms. Mold bases are often standardized by manufacturers like DME, Hasco, Futaba, etc. to ensure compatibility with different machines and molds, which helps in reducing cost and lead time. The cavity in a mold is the hollow space that shapes the exterior surface of a molded part. Common cavity materials are P20 tool steel, H13 and NAC80. The number of cavities in a mold refers to how many parts are produced per molding cycle. It's one of the most important design and cost decisions in mold making. Single cavity mold, multi-cavity mold, family mold. Section 2. What you need to request a quote. To get an accurate quote, suppliers need specific info from you. Here's what you should prepare: a 3D CAD file like a STEP or IGS model. Why do suppliers need a 3D CAD file and 2D drawings? The 3D model lets them analyze the part's geometry, while the 2D drawing shows critical tolerances and dimensions. This ensures the mold is built to your exact requirements and reduces the risk of costly mistakes. A 2D drawing with key tolerances, your preferred plastic material like ABS or PC, expected annual production volume, surface finish requirements, any insert molding or over molding details. The more complete your data, the faster and more accurate your quote will be. Section 3. What affects mold cost? Now, let's talk about the main cost factors. Number 1. Part complexity. If your design has undercuts, threads or fine details, it may require extra components like lifters or slides. For example, a simple box-shaped part is much cheaper to mold than a part with threads, snap fits or undercuts. Complex features require additional mold components, which increase both cost and lead time. Second, mold material. Aluminum molds are great for short runs and prototypes. Steel molds are better for high volume production. Third, number of cavities. More cavities mean a higher upfront cost but lower cost per part over time. Fourth, surface finish and tolerance. The smoother the surface or tighter the tolerance, the more expensive the machining. And finally, cooling and ejection design. Good cooling means faster cycle times, but it adds complexity to the mold build. Real-world costs can range from $5,000 for a basic prototype mold to $50,000 or more for a complex multi-cavity tool. Section 4. Understanding lead time. Next, how long does it take to get a mold? That's your lead time. For prototype molds, about 2 to 4 weeks. For simple production molds, 4 to 6 weeks. Complex multi-cavity molds may take 8 to 12 weeks or longer. Common causes of delays include late design changes, missing information, or supplier workload. To avoid surprises, communicate regularly with your supplier and approve designs quickly. Delays can happen if your design needs revisions or if your supplier has a full schedule. Title, ask for these dates. T1 sample date, final mold delivery date. Always ask for 2 key dates: the T1 sample date, that's your first test shot, and the final mold delivery date. That keeps expectations clear on both sides. Now let's talk about hidden costs. These don't always appear in the initial quote, but they matter. Things like engineering changes after the project starts, surface texturing or laser engraving, mold storage or long-term maintenance. Hidden costs can include expedited shipping for sample parts, extra charges for mold modifications, or storage fees if you don't take delivery on time. Always ask for a full list of possible extra charges before you sign. Sample part shipping, especially internationally, backup molds or inserts for over molding. Ask your supplier, is this an all-inclusive quote or are there variable charges? It's better to clarify now than be surprised later. If you're comparing quotes from different suppliers, don't just look at the price. Compare quotes. Mold material, guaranteed shots, lead time, support. Ask these questions. What material is the mold made of? When comparing quotes, create a table listing each supplier's price, lead time, mold material, and warranty. What's the exact lead time? Is after sales support included? A cheaper quote may save money upfront but could cost you more in delays, poor quality, or mold repairs. Pro tip: send complete, clean design files. Be clear about your production volume. Ask for DFM feedback before starting. Consider a prototype mold before full production. Choose suppliers with strong communication and clear timelines. Now you understand the plastic mold quotation process, from cost and design to lead time and smart planning. Welcome to UG Mold Tech. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe and drop a comment. What kind of part are you planning to mold? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.